Wow, Bhaiya, you know so much. How does respiration happen in animals?
Okay, let me explain it to you. We know that organisms respire to obtain oxygen. The mechanisms vary depending on factors like environment of the organism, size of the organism, oxygen requirement of the organism, etc. Unicellular organisms like amoeba respire through their cell membranes. They have no organs for respiration. The respiratory system in insects is not as well developed as that of the mammals. The most striking difference in the insect respiratory system is that it is a lungless system. Insects have a tracheal system for respiration. Instead of the lungs, they have tubular structures called trachea. Generally, they have one pair of spiracles for every body segment. The openings of trachea are called spiracles. Spiracles facilitate the exchange of gases through a simple process of diffusion of gases. They have aerobic respiration with intake of oxygen and expulsion of carbon dioxide. Air is taken in through the spiracles. It is transported to the insect body through the trachea. This kind of respiration exists in insects like cockroaches, moths, crickets, etc. The respiratory system in earthworms is slightly varied. They use their skin as the respiratory organ. Both breathing and respiration processes take place through the skin. Skin is always kept moist so that diffusion of gases take place through it. As the soil dries up, they dig deeper into the soil to find damp soil. These insects, like earthworm, leech, etc., breathe through their skin. Well, my cute little sister, hope you have learned something today.
Yes, I have learned a lot today. Thanks a lot, Bhaiya.